Hello, and this is my audience. Alright, the topic I'll be talking about is the rise of Dubai as a global hub for innovation and tourism. Imagine walking through a city where the skyscrapers gleam with the latest, smartest building technology, where startup launched by the dozen every month, and millions of tourists from around the world arrive each year to experience luxury and culture, cutting edge design. That city is Dubai. We all live in an increasing in connected world where whether you travel for business or for leisure, consider establishing a business, or simple follow global innovation trends. What happens in major global hubs affects us. Dubai rise matters because it shows how a city can pivot to meet the demands of technology, tourism, and investment, and in doing so influences global flows of talent, ideas, and travel. I have researched recent data, investment reports, and tourism strategies documents that about Dubai's development. Consult sources such as Dubai Department of Economy and Tourism and the Independent the Business Analysis. Therefore, you can trust the insight I'll share today. Dubai's transformation into a global hub for innovation and tourism is accidental. It is a result of a strategic investment, enabling policies, and relentless drive to attract talent and visitors. And by understanding how it happened, we can better appreciate the city's global significance. First, I'll examine how Dubai has built its innovation ecosystem. Second, I will discuss how Dubai has become a major tourism destination. Third, I will explore how innovation and tourism intersects in Dubai's, reinforcing each other of shaping the city future. With the roadmap in places, let's begin with the first main point: Dubai's innovation ecosystem. Dubai has deliberately cultivated a robust innovation ecosystem that attracts startups and investors and global companies. The city business environment is flourishing. According to a recent report, Dubai registers about 500 new businesses per month in 2024 under the framework of its Dubai's economic agenda D3, which commits to making Dubai a top global economic hub by 2033. Investment is strong. Dubai achieved the top worldwide ranking for greenfield FDI projects in the first half of 2025, with 643 projects, establishing itself as a leading investment destination. The city has launched innovation-focused infrastructure and initiatives. Examples include the Agriculture Tourism Innovation Hub, opening in 2020. First, in the middle, that brings together AI, IoT, and extended reality in tourism context. Having seen how Dubai is building innovation, we now turn to how it is also being building tourism on a major scale. Dubai's tourism growth is phenomenal, with visitors numbers rising, interaction expanding, and immersive experience being offended year-round. Tourism visitors numbers have surged. By late 2024, Dubai welcomed approximately 16.79 million overnight guests. Between January and November, up 9% from the same period in 2023. Dubai has elevated its experience offering through major events and festivals. Examples: the Dubai Shopping Festival's drone shows and strong suitability efforts such as the Dubai can innovate over 25 million single-use plastic. Tourism strategy underpins growth. The UAE's tourism strategy 2031 focusing on innovation, suitability, and visitor quality. Now we can take a look at innovations and tourism. Let's explore how they coverage and reinforce each other in Dubai. The synergy between innovation and tourism is helping Dubai create unique value and sustain its global hub status. Smart tourism is being developed. Dubai introduced innovation like smartphones based on keyless entry systems for short-term rentals, demonstrating how tech improves the visitor's experience. The business tourism innovation loop large conventions expose and investments flow bring both tourists and investors. For examples, Dubai's innovation ecosystem draws firms which also enhance its global city's reputation, attracting more visitors, talents, and investments. Dubai is ranking #1 global in Greenfield FDI in H1 2025. Having covered all three main points, we can now move to the conclusion. In conclusion, we've seen Dubai's transformation into a global hub for innovation and tourism. It rooted its strategy, foresight, infrastructure, and policy. This is precisely what we set out to explore today. First, explore Dubai's innovation ecosystem, its startups, FDI inflows, and specialized hubs. Second, we can discuss the tourism boom, visitor growth, flagship experiences, and strategy tourism development. Third, we examine how the innovation and tourism intersect and how technology enhances tourism. Thank you. That would be the rest of my speech.